The internet, the web, the cloud. What are these? People can't live without online related services these days. But how many of us know what they stand for and let alone how they work? Let's start after a few words from our sponsor, XeonBD. XeonBD is a well-known web hosting company based in Bangladesh. They have servers in Bangladesh, USA and many other countries. If you are looking for a very fast SSD web hosting service, look no more. XeonBD web hosting is very affordable and they come with a lot of features. But if you are looking for a domain suitable for your business, you have come to the right place. They offer hundreds of domain extensions like .com, .net, .tv, .me. No matter what you are looking for, you can find it here. So go and check them out. The link is given in the description below. The internet is a large network of computers that contain information and technology tools that anybody with an internet connection can access. The internet is the big tent under which all the individual technologies reside. One of the main features of the internet is the World Wide Web, or web for short. A huge collection of documents with links to one another. An individual document is a web page, a related group of web pages published by the same person or company is a website. To get around in the web, you use an application called a browser. Browser offers tools to help you navigate from website to website and from one web page to another. Websites have many purposes. For example, a website can be informational, function as a retail store which is owned by an individual company to sell their own products like Apple Store, or host social network communities where people can exchange ideas and thoughts like Facebook and Twitter. When you conduct business online such as buying or selling items, it's known as e-commerce. E-commerce includes business to business transaction like as bank exchanging data with one another, business to customer transaction like a person buying something at an online store, and consumer to consumer transactions like an individual selling an item on an online auction site or creating a classified ad. Example, Amazon.com and Alibaba.com. A cloud is a password protected area of the web in which registered user can safely store and retrieve files, run applications and look for information that may not be available to the public. For example, Google Drive service, which is free to anyone who sign up for a Google account, offers free secure online file storage as well as access to popular web applications such as Google Docs, Google Sheet, Gmail, YouTube, and many more. Clouds are becoming more and more popular these days. An intranet is an information storage and retrieval system that works on the same technologies as the internet does, but is private inside a certain company. Employees can access private information on the company's own server using the familiar interfaces of a web browser, like a bank who has to protect their customer information. Only a bank employee who is authorized by the bank can access them. Beside the web, the internet also enables several other types of online activity. For example, you can send and receive email, participate in video conferencing, and exchange instant messages with others. The figure shows the relationship between some of the terms you just learned, so you can keep them straight in your mind. Notice that technologies like email and instant messaging overlap somewhat with the web. That's because they are essentially separate from the web technology, but they are optional web interfaces available for them that make them seem like a part of the web. So, that was all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next one.